Hey guys, there's a lot of action today in the crypto space. If you did buy some BITO ETF put options about a week and a half, 2 weeks ago, you're probably looking real good right now. At last check, I think I was up over about 240% on the puts that I did buy. So they are doing their job as a hedge. Just for reference, I bought some 20 strike puts for June 17th. And I also put out a community post earlier in this morning, highlighting that we're very quickly approaching our target zone for the bottom in BITO. So this is that chart. I'm zooming up a little bit so you guys can see how we just absolutely fell down. You can see a total red candle spike right into our box. So it's just about that time to start selling our hedges. Before I go over the specifics, I'm going to go over the Bitcoin chart real quick, since BITO is a Bitcoin futures ETF. So they move together. Based on what we're seeing here, this looks like we're probably in the third wave at least. I'm going to draw this out to illustrate, but depending on where we consider our first and second wave to be, that would be our first and second. We're very close to what is very likely our third wave down. Expect some kind of a fourth wave bounce and maybe a fifth wave lower into that mid $20,000 range. Not sure if we're going to actually get all the way down to $24,000. That would be the bottom edge of support for Bitcoin. So that leaves us, that more or less lines up with BITO ETF. Now, I want to get this video out before the end of the trading day because there's a very good chance I will sell at least some of my puts, if not all of them. And the reason for that is, again, we expect a fourth wave bounce. And BITO, unlike your actual crypto coins, does not trade around the clock. It will only trade during your active market hours. So we're about 15, 20 minutes away from the close. And therefore, if we do see downside action overnight, there's a chance we see a big spike back up into the morning. So you don't want to get caught losing all your profits if you are shorting at the moment, again, for hedging or for a speculative trading play. So many of you may be, it may be best to at least sell part of your position. Our target region was 1915 down to as low as 1718. We are sitting at about 1893, and it looks like we may close the day on quite a market smackdown. I'm looking at not just cryptos, but I have my S&P ticker up here, S&P 500. We may close the day below 4,000. I do expect that to be the low. Now, anything can happen, but based on the Fibonacci extensions and everything we have, we're getting very close. This may be as low as BITO gets because, again, we may start bouncing overnight into tomorrow. So, again, keeping it short and sweet. Make your plays based on your own tactics, your own strategies. Until next time, thank you for watching. And again, happy hedging.